Hey all! Welcome back to my channel. Today's project is exclusively for the ladies and the girls. We're going to make air dry clay funky earring. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. Roll the clay, about 3 to 4 mm thick, and cut in the slipper shape. Now I need to put holes to attach straps and French hooks. Take needle and insert it through the proper places. Slowly press it into the other side, we'll get perfect holes. Apply a coat of gesso and dry. For straps we need 2 mm beads and jewelry wire. Now color the slippers as you want, you can follow me also. I'm showing 2 different ways to attach the bead straps. Please watch carefully. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful clay jewelry making idea? Let me know in the comment box. Now attach the French hook to complete the earring. Our funky clay earrings are ready to wear now. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.